So now we've finished with Gallery 3, we're entering to Gallery 4. Everything you will see here is based on patterns. It's as if the numbers that were accompanying us in Gallery 3 were mathematical and rational, here have magically transformed themselves and taken another appearance to show us God's beauty. Now this whole section of this gallery comes together in the most harmonious way. A section we call Arising from Paper, and also one which of course reflects God's beauty. We are very fortunate to have a relationship with Uzbekistan. For the very first time, we are actually displaying what is known as a Tashkent scroll. The Tashkent scroll are effectively architectural blueprints. When an architect was working on site, they'd have these blueprints in front of them, and these blueprints were the essence of how a dome was built, and specifically the Muqarnas dome, or the geometric designs and patterns that were necessary to build a dome. And the question is, how did architects at that time look at this, and from this devise the domes that we recognize, of course, all the way from Samarkand all the way down to Al-Andalus. We complemented these architectural scrolls with some very painstakingly accurate manuscripts coming from the Süleymaniye Library, one of the greatest libraries in Istanbul, drawn up, in which a lot of these manuscripts are very detailed explanations of how domes were made, specifying which instruments were being used, specifying the patterns, the designs, the symmetry, the sense of proportion. Architectural drawings, which are an intellectual drawings by an artist, cannot make sense unless we bring them alive.